Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I've had a few requests on the planing edition I did with all the planes. So one of the requests was, how do you sharpen your chisels and planer blades? Well, this is how I do it. I got myself a grinder on a platform. So it's got a coarse grit and a soft stone, and what I do is I get myself a nice rag, which you can't see because I'm doing this on the different type of camera. So get myself a nice rag, get myself some GT85, got myself some WD-40, and I basically literally use the grinder to go through and do some grinding. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Give me 2 seconds, got 2 more things to set up and then I'm ready to go. Right, so I'm all set up, I'm ready to go. I've got everything I need. I'm just going to bring the camera back a bit further back so you can see what I'm doing. So I have a grinder with a hard grit and a soft grit diamond, and the same. I've got another grinder with a polishing cloth and a final sort of like polish of the chisel. So basically how I start it off is see this planer blade here. This has got an awesome chip on it. You can just about see it, screw. So basically I set it up. So I'm going to zoom in for you so you can see what I do and what position. I mean, there is amazing grinding tools out there, wet ones and all that jazz. I prefer this method, to be honest. You can't beat... Oh, camera's gone. Sorry guys. Camera's had a bit of cider. Oh. Sort that out. 2 seconds. Right, there you go. It's had some cider. Right, so basically, first grinder, let's clear off those screw marks. And you shouldn't really have to push very hard at all. At all. So what I've done there is I've basically grinded down and got that screw out, which is what I've done there. Then I'll go over to my other one. Go over to my other one. And then basically get it down to what I class as like a 25-degree bevel. Go a bit harder on that one. That's better. Nice clean off. And once you've done that, get your oiling stone, whichever stone you've got. So get an oiling stone. Mine happens to be a faithful diamond stone, nothing expensive. Get the old WD-40 on there. Soak it up. And then you want to be doing a figure of 8. As so, to achieve that pristine sharpness. So you start on the bevel side first, then you move on the other side its job. I mean, for me, for site carpentry, that is as sharp as I really need to go. I mean, wood turners and people that do wood carving probably spend a little bit more time sharpening, but I don't. I look at the case that's going to get absolutely mullered on site, so that's sharp enough for me. That, you know, that's just about as much as I take it. And then same with chisels, really. I mean, you could spend hours and hours and hours getting the perfect angle and shaping it and what have you, and then as soon as you're on site you hit a screw or a nail. So for me, I think it's all about, you know, if you do them once a week, the more and more, you know, every Friday, if you do this every Friday, sharpen tools once a week, the more and more practice you do, the quicker and better you'll get at it. I mean, these are just bashing chisels, nothing special. Same again. That's as far as I take them. I don't go any further than that, and that thing is ready to smash some wood up. You, like I said to you in the beginning of the video, you could spend hours trying to get the perfect shape and all that jazz, but as long as it's sharp, as long as it does what its intended use is, and that is to go through wood like that on the edge of my bench. I mean, that's all you really need. Look at that. Quick sharpen. Done. So that is my quick way of sharpening your tools. I don't think there's any other method quicker than that. Grinder, a stone, a finishing stone, and you're done. And literally that is now ready to chop some wood. Right, my next video is going to be how I sort my hammer out. So literally I'm going to carry on grinding. You can watch if you like, and then the next video will be some other stuff. And that's literally it, guys. That's all I do. Bosh. as fast as that. You don't need to spend any longer doing that on your chisels, because if you're doing them once a week, they should always be pretty sharp anyway. Right, on to the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the channel and go and see TikTok, and you can see our Amazon pages. Links are all in the bio.